Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once more. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu as well. And make sure to bring along others and tune in to my channel. So today, I'm answering questions about few comments that are there. Comments za Naivas, like Naivas flash sales, offers, weekend offers. And so I decided to do a budget of 1500, and we will see if we are on the budget or to exceed, because na hii economy. So this is my receipt, as you can see. So I don't know if it will focus, but it's from Naivas. So a quick one. I had a budget of 1500 and I managed to do, we will see. So keep on watching. Here is our shopping. So this bread, the Naivas bread, is usually 88 bob. This was not on offer. This Fair and Handsome. This cream has not been there for quite some time, but sasa nilipata, and this one was going for 100 bob. And I found this offer for diapers called Cool Baby. I had bought some a while back for my niece, and today it had a discount from 560 to 499, so you save like 61 shillings. So this one came in handy. 44 pieces for 499, that's a deal. So we bought, and then bought another small one that goes for 109. Yes, and there are 7 pieces. So yes, because our budget for the diapers was like 600, so we saved some coins. And to 10, my god, I just liked the package because the green looks okay, it looks nice, and it has Faith Kipyegon's picture, so it's enticing. The green, the orange, the new pack is enticing. So we bought this. It was on offer. It was 144, so we saved some coins as well. We bought 2 packets. This, and then we have this wheat flour, all purpose. It's called umoja. It's enticing as well. So umoja ni tamu. I think it's a new arrival, and it was going for 149. So I decided to take it to come try it out, tuone chapati zitatoka vipi vipi ama mandazi zitatoka vipi vipi. So this one was 149. So remember I had a budget of 1500. So let's see if we were within our budget. So the umoja home baking flour was, the initial price is 161, and with offer it's 149. So we get to save 12 shillings. And to 10 maize flour it's 164, and we bought 2, so that is 328. We managed to get a discount of 40 shillings. And Fair and Handsome cream, that one was not on offer, so it was just 100 bob. Cool Baby Open Diapers, the low count, the small one, the small pack was not even on offer as well, so it's 109. And then Cool Baby Open Diapers high count, which is usually 560, and it was retailing at 499. So the offer discount was 61 shillings. So there we saved a lot of coins. And then the bread goes for 88 shillings, of which I usually love this Naivas bread because it's nice, it's yummy. So for 88 shillings you get your 600 grams bread. So our total was, before discount, was 1346, and the discount awarded for all the products was 113. So we were within our budget. So we paid 1,233, and we got loyalty points, 12 of them. So from our 1500 we managed to do 1233, that is 1,233. So we saved coins and we were remaining with a balance. The budget was like that, and I thank God we saved some decent cash. There's so many discounts on electronics, on, I think every section has discounts, so you can pass by anytime, any Naivas branch, you will find offers running. So I wanted to point out, Naivas is they usually have offers. That is, we have flash sales, we have weekend sales, we have weekday sales, right? So there's some offers which usually run from Wednesday to Friday, and there's some offers which run on weekends, that is from Friday to Sunday. And then there are flash sales which run with a period of 24 hours or 12 hours. So if you pass by any Naivas any day, anytime, you could save some coins. That's why I've done this video, the budget video. So if you are on a tight budget, you should visit one of the Naivases, and I'm sure you will get what you want. And for more budget hauls, for more sales, for more flash sales, for let's say everything that you want, just subscribe. You get that notification once we do a budget haul, any day, anytime. Thank you for watching this video. Till next time. Bye bye.